You've been aging your skin without even knowing it. If you're seeing fine lines, dullness, or blemishes, it's not too late to turn back the clock. And no, you don't need expensive creams or procedures. I'm going to reveal the secret to erasing 10 years of skin damage in just 30 days. I've spent years researching natural skincare solutions, and these 3 oils are the absolute game changers. Not only are they backed by science, and I've included links to the clinical studies in the comments to rejuvenate your skin at the cellular level, but they have also been trusted by users for more than 3,000 years. At the end, I'll show you exactly how to apply them for best results. First up is frankincense. Why is frankincense essential? Because it tackles inflammation and aging simultaneously. What's the secret? Boswellic acids, powerful compounds that boost elasticity and smooth wrinkles. How does it work? These acids literally remodel your skin tissue, giving you a firmer, more youthful appearance. Now let's talk about rosehip oil, a vitamin powerhouse. Why is it so effective? It's loaded with vitamins A and C, both clinically proven to fight wrinkles and brighten skin. What does this mean for you? Increased collagen production, reduced hyperpigmentation, and a radiant glow. Finally, we have lavender, the ultimate skin soother. Why is it a must-have? Lavender accelerates healing, reduces inflammation, and fights off those pesky free radicals that damage your skin. How? By boosting cell turnover and providing a potent dose of antioxidants. The best part? Using these oils is incredibly simple, but there's a specific method that maximizes their effects. First, you need a perfectly clean canvas. Step 1, cleanse. That means starting with a gentle cleanser that removes all impurities without stripping your skin's natural oils. Step 2, apply. Now here's where the magic happens. But don't just slather them on. Less is more. Just a few drops of each oil, gently massaged into your skin using upward circular motions. Step 3, moisturize. And to seal in all that goodness, finish with your favorite moisturizer, locking in hydration and creating a protective barrier. Imagine this. You wake up, look in the mirror, and love the skin you're in. That's the power of these oils, but the journey doesn't end there. Think of your skin as a garden. You need to nourish it from within. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water. Feed your skin with a vibrant diet rich in antioxidants. And don't underestimate the importance of sleep and stress management. These are the building blocks of truly radiant skin. Don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself and unlock your skin's full potential. If you are interested in keeping your skin younger, get your free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Skin Rejuvenation. Because everyone deserves to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin.